Kate was standing in the kitchen cooking dinner. Her husband, Paul, was in the living room drinking a beer and watching the game. "Honey, you need to come in here and fix the fridge. The door is broken, and if you don't fix it, the food will go bad," Kate said. Paul yelled back, "Who do I look like, the PG&E man? I don't think so." A little while later, Kate said, "Honey, you need to fix the hall light. It's out." "Who do I look like, an electrician? I don't think so," Paul retorted. A few hours later, Kate said, "Honey, you need to fix the porch step before someone gets hurt on it." Paul quickly replied, "Who do I look like, a carpenter? I don't think so." Frustrated from all the requests, Paul gets up and leaves. He decides to go to a bar down the road. After the game was over, he began to feel slightly guilty for the way he treated his wife, so he went on home. He came up the porch and realized that the step was fixed. He walked into the house and noticed that the hall light was fixed. He walked into the kitchen to get a cold beer and noticed that the fridge was fixed. "Babe, how did you fix all this?" Paul asked his wife. She looked at him and explained, "Well, after you left, I began to cry on the porch. A fine young man walked past and noticed I was crying, and he asked me what he could do to help. He fixed everything. I asked him what I could do for payment. He said I could either bake him a cake or sleep with him." "Well, what kind of cake did you bake him?" Paul asked. Kay looked at him and replied, "Who do I look like, Betty Crocker? I don't think so."